Well, welcome to Allen's Day. We're going to do a shop walk today, show you what we've been up to here. Behind me is some domes that we work on for a particular customer. These domes are for a project that we're working on that's going to end up going to Fort Knox, Kentucky. These domes, these replicate a mosque. They use these as part of their training facility. This is an 8-foot dome, and then we've got the larger 2-piece one. It's 13 feet wide. This one's split in half just for shipping purposes so we can get it down the road. So the two halves bolt together, and then once it gets to the site, they will take and connect them up, anchor them down to the top of the building, and they're good to go. The guys did a real good job on here. We just take the halves, burn those up in a plasma, roll the edges up, and then we just take and weld the seams up on there. So ended up real nice. We've been doing these for years. Talk to you later. We've got all the domes loaded up on the truck, and they are heading down to Fort Knox, Kentucky. They'll be there in a couple of days and get this stuff installed. Thank you for watching Allen's Day. Life is about making choices. Some things are already perfect. Some things you may choose to upgrade. This channel will show you both. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again.